Students, in this reading session, I'll read the paragraph, thereafter you will. Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome back to the online classes with Shriram Public School. Today we are going to continue with our story. So let's start reading. The kingdom of Vijaygarh had a wise and kind king. People were happy, but the king himself was sad and worried. A devilish snake had entered his son's body. Neither medicine nor magic worked to cure his son. When the prince grew up, he thought, "It is because of me that my father's worried." And one day, he left the palace. Wandering, he came to another kingdom. He found a desolate temple and started living there. He begged for food. The king of that kingdom was cruel, but he had a kind and beautiful daughter. The king was unhappy with his daughter. That girl was always ridiculing her father's hard work. The king thought, "She is always talking me low of my hard work. I must marry her to a beggar. Then she will know that what hard work is." So, when the beggar prince came to beg for food in the palace, the cruel king forced him to marry his daughter. The prince and his new bride started for the desolate temple. On their way, they stopped to take rest. The princess went around in search of food, while her husband went to sleep. When the princess came back, she was shocked to see a snake sitting on her husband's mouth. On a mount nearby sat another snake. They were talking among themselves. "Why do you not leave the body of the prince? He is so kind and gentle," said the snake sitting on the mount. "You too are evil. You attack passers-by. You should not be telling me what to do," replied the snake sitting on the mouth of the prince. The princess killed both snakes with all her courage. When her husband woke up, she told him about the two snakes. The prince was happy. Then he told her who he really was. They set off to the prince's palace. The king was delighted to see his son. When the king learned that the devilish snake was killed, his joy knew no bounds. The prince and the princess lived happily for a long time. After a few years, the kingdom celebrated the day on which the royal couple gave birth to the twins of one boy and one girl. So this is our story. We have read the story. Now about the pronunciation. We have discussed which word has what kind of pronunciation, how to pronounce a word. After that, we have seen the punctuation mark, and today we have seen how to actually read a story. It's not like you have to read the kingdom, not like that. So this is how you have to read in one flow. Now I have read, now you have to read. Now read along with me. The kingdom of Vijaygarh had a wise and kind king. Say. Superb. You should read like this. People were happy, but the king himself was sad and worried. तो ये स्टोरी है एक किंगडम की जो विजयगढ़ के है. उसका राजा बहुत ही चतुर, वाइज और बहुत ही दयालु था, काइंड किंग था. और पीपल भी वहाँ बहुत लोग खुश थे वहाँ के. बट किंग खुद ही वहाँ पर जो था वो सैड और वरिड हुआ करता था. क्यों? डेविल नेचर का, शैतानी प्रवृत्ति का स्नेक हैड एंटर्ड हिज सन्स बॉडी. Neither medicine nor magic worked to cure his son. ना ही मैजिक ना ही मेडिसिन उसके बेटे को ठीक कर पा रही थी. When the prince grew up, very good, he thought, "It is is because of me that my father's worried. Say, all together you have to say at once. And one day he left the palace. Wandering, he came to another kingdom. He found a desolate temple and started living there. He begged for food. The king of that kingdom was cruel, but he had a kind and beautiful daughter. Very good. Keep repeating after me. The king was unhappy with his daughter. That girl was always ridiculing his father's hard work. Okay, take a pause and say, that girl was always ridiculing. See, ridiculing her father's hard work. The king thought, she is always talking me low of my hard work. I must marry her to a beggar. Then she will know what hard work is. Now this one you have to read by yourself. Pause and read. This one also. Read by yourself. When the princess came back. Very good. I hope you have read it. Now read this one. Superb. Now this one. Pause the video and read aloud so that everybody at your home may hear. घर पे सब लोग सुने कि आप कितनी fabulous reading कर रहे हैं after the reading classes. Now this one. Pause the video and read aloud. Very good. That's all for this reading class today. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is a very crucial time. इस समय ही आपको घर पे रहना ज़रूरी है. Stay home, stay safe. Now it's even more unsafe. So have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.